In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Visio to draw simple network diagrams. If you're new to Visio or just need a refresher, this guide will help you create clear and functional network layouts in just a few straightforward steps. To start, open your browser and search for Microsoft Visio. Once you've found the official site, look for the Sign In option on the home page. If you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're signed in automatically. However, if you need to log in, simply enter your email address followed by your password. Don't forget to provide any additional information if prompted to ensure a smooth login process. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Microsoft 365 Copilot homepage. Here, you'll want to locate the Apps section. Within this area, scroll through until you find Visio, then click to open it. As Visio starts up, you'll notice various options available to kickstart your project. We recommend beginning by clicking on the All Templates option, which opens a variety of preset templates designed to make building diagrams straightforward. Next, you'll want to focus on selecting the basic network diagram template. You can also browse the network category, where you'll discover additional formats tailored for networking needs. After selecting your template, turn your attention to the Shapes pane located on the left side of the screen. Here, make sure to open the Network and Peripherals or Computers and Monitors stencils. This will give you access to the specific shapes you need for your network diagram. When you're ready to create your network, start dragging shapes for devices such as servers, computers, printers, and routers onto your drawing page. Take your time to position these shapes thoughtfully, ensuring that your layout clearly reflects the structure of your network. Connecting these devices is a breeze with Visio's built-in connectors. Hover over a shape and you'll see a control handle appear. Clicking and dragging this to a connection point on another shape allows you to easily link the two devices. You'll know a connection is successful when the connection point turns red. Alternatively, if you prefer to take a more manual approach, you can use the Connector tool found under the Home tab to draw lines between the shapes. Labeling your devices adds another layer of clarity. To do this, simply select a shape and type the device's name or function directly onto it. If you ever need to reposition your labels, just double-click on the shape to add text and use the yellow text handle to adjust its location as necessary. Once your diagram is complete, it's crucial to save your work. Navigate to the File menu and save your drawing as a .vsdx file. This format allows for future edits, but if you need to share your diagram, consider exporting it as a PNG or PDF file. That wraps up today's tutorial on creating simple network diagrams using Microsoft Visio. Happy diagramming!